Hi there, moms! Have you watched the Lactum 3 Plus Bibo Lilith's Galing Challenge? Napanood ko ang series sa YouTube and available rin sa iWant. Tuwan-tuwa ako sa mga kids kasi ang gagaling nila. The challenges are nice, light and fun, perfect for the kids since inspired ito from everyday household chores. Wow, the kids showcase their mental ability and physical strength, which I really appreciate and I'm sure na super proud ng parents nila. Ang new Lactum 3 Plus ay may dagdag na DHA, kaya may dagdag galing, with proper nutrition and stimulation. Pinakatumatak sa akin yung sharp memory ni Jude. First, he remembered his customer and the order. Also, nagawa and na-deliver niya rin ng maayos yung mga orders. Parang kami lang ng bibukid kong si Yaya pag naglalaro kami ng bilibilihan. I'm sure na if we try to make it real, same sa challenge kay Jude, ay magagawa rin ni Kea with the help of the new and improved Lactum 3 Plus with Bibo Power Plus. Mommies, let's all watch the series and try nyo rin gawin ng challenges with your kids. It will be fun to discover na ang galing ng mga anak natin may igagaling pa. Ang Bibo Lilith kong si Kea, Certified Batang Bibo Plus sa tulong ng new Lactum 3 Plus with Bibo Power Plus.